Meet Alex, a busy urban professional who loves fried crab cakes. Every evening, he treats himself to this crispy indulgence, unaware of the health risks. Fried foods like these crab cakes are high in trans fats and calories, which can lead to obesity and heart disease. Studies show that consuming fried foods more than twice a week increases the risk of type 2 diabetes by 40%. The golden, oil-drenched crab cakes look tempting, but the splattered kitchen tells another story, one of hidden dangers. During a routine checkup, Dr. Lee points to a chart showing the alarming calorie difference between fried and grilled crab cakes. Just one fried crab cake contains over 300 calories and 20 grams of fat, she explains. Regular consumption can lead to obesity and metabolic syndrome. Research from the American Heart Association confirms that fried foods increase bad cholesterol, LDL, and inflammation. Alex's blood work reveals elevated cholesterol levels. A wake-up call to rethink his diet. Back home, Alex searches online for alternatives. He discovers that grilled crab cakes retain the same rich flavor, but with half the calories. A study from the Journal of Nutrition highlights that grilling reduces fat content by up to 60% compared to frying. The screen displays recipes using fresh crab meat, whole grain breadcrumbs, and herbs, ingredients that boost protein and fiber. Inspired, Alex bookmarks a recipe titled Grilled to Perfection, a lighter twist on crab cakes. At the local market, Alex fills his basket with fresh crab meat, whole grain breadcrumbs, and herbs like parsley and dill. Choosing these unprocessed ingredients ensures higher nutrient density. Research from Harvard Medical School emphasizes that whole grains and lean proteins stabilize blood sugar levels. The vibrant colors of the produce section contrast with the greasy allure of frozen fried foods, a visual metaphor for healthier choices. Alex carefully places the crab cake patties onto a preheated grill pan. Unlike frying, grilling requires just a spritz of olive oil. The sizzle is satisfying, and grill marks begin to form. According to the Culinary Institute of America, grilling enhances flavor through caramelization without excessive fat. Alex notices the kitchen smells fresher, not heavy with oil. The crab cakes cook evenly, their golden brown crust promising a healthier crunch. Side by side, the fried and grilled crab cakes reveal stark differences. The fried version glistens with oil, while the grilled one boasts a charred, rustic appeal. Alex takes a bite of each. Surprisingly, the grilled crab cake is juicier and more flavorful. A 2021 study in Food Science and Nutrition found that grilling preserves moisture better than frying. The fried cake leaves a greasy aftertaste, cementing Alex's preference for the grilled alternative. At a weekend picnic, Alex serves grilled crab cakes to friends. They're paired with a fresh arugula salad and lemon wedges. "I can't believe these are healthy," remarks one friend. Social support is crucial for sustaining dietary changes, as noted in Psychology Today. The laughter and empty plates validate Alex's switch. The scene contrasts with earlier solitary fried meals. Now, food is both nourishing and a bridge to connection. Weeks later, Alex checks his fitness app. The graph shows a steady 5-pound weight loss and improved sleep scores. A study in Obesity Reviews links reduced fried food intake to better metabolic health. His energy levels are higher, and his latest blood work shows lower LDL cholesterol. The app's congratulatory message, "Keep up the grilling," reinforces the positive feedback loop of healthy habits. Alex now leads a cooking class at the community center, demonstrating how to grill crab cakes. Use fresh herbs and a hot grill for maximum flavor, he advises. The CDC reports that cooking education can reduce obesity rates by 12% in communities. Participants eagerly take notes, their aprons dusted with breadcrumbs. The shared joy of cooking healthier meals mirrors Alex's own journey, from habit to empowerment. The final scene shows Alex's weekly meal prep. Containers of grilled crab cakes stacked in the fridge. This ritual, once dominated by frying, now reflects a sustainable lifestyle. A Tufts University study confirms that meal prepping doubles the likelihood of maintaining healthy eating habits. As Alex grabs a container for lunch, the camera pans to a photo on the fridge, him hiking, a testament to his renewed vitality. The cycle of health is complete.